Hi, I'm Ian White, the founder of the Australian Bushflower Essences. We've just had a major development. For the first time since 1995, we released new remedy combinations, and there's two: Boost and Carers. They're really designed for this very strange, unusual, challenging circumstances we're finding ourselves in now. I've been thinking for probably the last 12 months to bring out a Carer's essence, but in this current situation, it's very important, I thought, to have it right away now. We have the situation where people are having to go and look after their elderly parents who are maybe afraid to go out of their home. We're having parents having to supervise and look after their children because the schools are closed as well. Now, this remedy is addressing, as I said, it could be a parent, it could be a mum with a young child or young children. It can be health professionals as well. You've also got people looking after their sick partner or child. So it's really encompassing a lot of different areas. But there's very common themes. It's the overwhelm that can come about, that responsibility, really feeling burdened by it, this constant looking after someone and that responsibility, making the right choices for them. And you can feel a bit weary from all that. And this remedy combination, the carers, it brings about a sense of optimism, calmness, revitalization. It's really resilience and inner strength helping that person to find that. So, you know, a lot of people who are professional healers, they get into it because they want to help others. But the beauty of this combination, the carers, is it helps the person giving the caring to look after their own needs, make an effort to be aware of what do they need rather than just always giving out to other people.